How to turn your drill into 5 different tools. Your drill is probably the most used power tool you own, but did you know it can do a lot more than just drill holes and drive screws? With the right attachments, your drill can transform into multiple tools, saving space, money, and time on the job. Here are 5 tools your drill can become, using simple, affordable accessories. 1. Power sander. With a sanding pad attachment, your drill instantly becomes a compact power sander. Just attach a hook and loop sanding disc to a rubber backing pad, and you're ready to smooth wood, remove paint, or polish metal. It won't replace a dedicated orbital sander, but it's perfect for small projects or quick touch-ups. 2. Paint and mortar mixer. Tired of mixing paint or mortar by hand? A mixing paddle attachment turns your drill into a powerful stirrer. Just insert the paddle, set your drill to a low speed, and mix evenly without the mess or fatigue. This works great for paint, cement, grout, or even epoxy. Just remember to clean the paddle right after use. 3. Wire brush and rust remover. Add a wire brush wheel or cork brush to your drill, and you've got a handy rust remover or surface prep tool. It's perfect for cleaning metal parts, removing corrosion, or prepping surfaces before painting. Always wear eye protection. Wire bristles can fly off at high speeds. 4. Rotary polisher or buffer. With a foam or microfiber polishing pad, your drill becomes a compact polisher. You can buff car paint, polish metal, or restore headlights. Keep the drill at low speed to avoid burning the surface. Slow and steady gives the best shine. 5. Power brush cleaner. For cleaning jobs, attach a nylon brush head, and your drill turns into a scrubbing machine. These attachments work wonders on tiles, grout, sinks, or even car interiors. It's one of the most underrated uses for a drill, and once you try it, you'll never go back to scrubbing by hand. Bonus tip. Use the right speed. Each attachment has its own ideal speed range. Use low RPMs for polishing, mixing, and cleaning. Use medium to high for sanding and wire brushing. This helps you get better results while preventing wear on your drill's motor. So there you have it, one drill, 5 different tools. With a few smart attachments, you can sand, mix, polish, clean, and prep, all using the same power tool you already own. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video drops. Be sure to check out our other videos to stay informed and maximize your knowledge. For more information on power tools or other products, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.